You guys like fast, easy recipes that you can whip up like that in no time at all? I've got one for you today. It's 3 ingredients and it is the perfect little cookie for fall. I'm telling you, 3 ingredients. You're gonna need a box of spice cake mix, some chocolate chips, and some pumpkin. That's it. Mix your 3 ingredients together. Preheat the oven at 350 degrees. I'm gonna put mine on parchment paper, scoop them, on the parchment paper. Bake at 350 for roughly 13 to 15 minutes and you will be done. So now they're ready for the oven. It smells heavenly. By the way, these do not have to be perfect. They're gonna bake up perfectly, almost like the cross between a cookie and a muffin. So now we wait. Those cookies smell amazing. You guys have to try them. I think you'll like them. And by the way, I usually put a bunch in a Ziploc bag. I stick them in the fridge, and then the kids just pull them out as they will. Look at that little cookie. It's almost like a cookie muffin. I love it. Going in for a taste test. So good. The chocolate chips with the pumpkin spice, literally it's the best fall cookie. And 3 ingredients, 15-20 minutes, you are done. And if you like a lot of chocolate chips, add more chocolate chips, but I think 1 cup is good. Okay, please excuse the poor lighting. It's early Wednesday morning. I have a very busy day, and this is the door leading down to a landing before you go down to the basement area. Here you see the landing, and we're going to be decorating this niche you see right here for fall. So to start, I thought I would use this old rustic window that I picked up at an antique store. And I thought I would add a fall wreath to it to lighten and brighten this area. Generally, what I like to do is take a simple thumbtack and I just figure out where I want to put it, and you just push this in and twist. Keep twisting till you get it in there good, and then you can hang your wreath. See, and it's in there nice and sturdy. And there you go. Now I can hang a cute fall wreath. Next, I thought I would add 2 of these wall decor embellishments, one on either side, sort of angled. Why? Because I feel like it adds visual interest. Let's add the second one. See, now when you come down the stairs and you open the door, this is kind of what you see. It really does draw your eye up, and it looks really cute. I love it. Next, I have this super cute country sign that my daughter found for me at a place called the Apple House. And it says, "Welcome to the fire pit, where friends and marshmallows get toasted." That sign would be super cute out on a porch or back patio where you have a fire pit. And I haven't used it out there. So I thought, well, you know what? It's kind of cute coming down, down these stairs and then onto this landing. And then you go down there to the basement, and outside there is a fire pit. So I thought it was appropriate to put it here. Also too, if you had a big wall area and like a big console table or cabinet, this would be adorable right above it. Have a table right here and then put this above it. It'd be super cute. And then I decided to add my candle holder that I found on Amazon with a topiary ball on top, and one over there. In fact, I'm gonna space this out just a little bit. And that's how it looks. Okay, so now I'm standing down in the basement, and when you come up, I'm just gonna keep it simple and leave that there. And then as you come up the stairs, you see this.